everybody. My name is Jitendra Patel, and a couple of my goals this year is, first of all, set up my own SIP for financial freedom by the end of February this year. And then following that, I'm going to be doing in March and then also in May my first 2-day workshops about the wheel of life, etc., and to get it out to as many people as possible to start helping them balance their lives and get on with it, becoming who they really are. I think that's it. Is it a wrap?
So, hi, I'm Lindsay, and the biggest goal that I want to achieve this year is falling in love with myself.
Hi, my name is Dilara, and in 2018 my goals are to have more speaking engagements and definitely get much fitter and healthier.
So yeah, my name's Carl and I have a goal for this year. My goal for this year is to make the 25-year celebrations the best celebrations ever and to have a really fun time, exciting time in doing it and bringing the team together and just playing full out and having a lot of fun. And that's it. So we'll see you there on the 24th of November 2018.